Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this video I am going to talk about chemical kinetics class 10. The topic is pseudo first order reaction and what is the difference between order of reaction and molecularity of reaction. In my previous class I am going to talk about chemical kinetics class 10. I am going to talk about the what is the molecularity of reaction. This video is continuous to the that video. Okay friends, now start this section. The topic is the pseudo first order reaction. Pseudo first order reaction. Friends, you know that now we have to consider one more important example in pseudo first order reaction. The reaction is the CH3COO C2H5 plus H2O is gives CH3COO H plus C2H5OH. This is the ester. Ester is reacted to the water to form the acid and alcohol. This is the example of the hydrolysis of ester. Hydrolysis of ester. Okay friends, this is the example of the pseudo first order reaction, hydrolysis of ester. Now what is the hydrolysis of ester? Ester is reacted to the water to form the acetic acid and alcohol. Now this is the hydrolysis of ester. Now the rate of this reaction is the K into concentration of ester power 1 and concentration of H2O power 1. This is the elementary reaction. Friends, now this hydrolysis of ester is the elementary reaction. This reaction is complete in single step. This reaction is complete. This is the hydrolysis of ester. Now the rate is K into concentration of ester into concentration of water. But in this reaction what happened friends? This H2O is act as a solvent. Friends, this H2O is act as a solvent. It means this H2O is a excess of H2O in this reaction. Because of this is act as a solvent for, you know that T is equal to 0 time. This ester is a 1 mole. This H2O is a 1000 mole. Because of this act as a solvent, because of this concentration is very high. This is the 1 mole and this is 10 mole. In after end of this reaction, this is 1 mole and this is 1 mole. Remaining this H2O is a 999 moles is remaining. This H2O is a constant. H2O is a constant in this reaction. Okay friends, this is the hydrolysis of ester. Ester is reacted to the water. This H2O is a constant in this reaction because of according to chemical equilibrium. This is the active mass of H2O is a constant, and as well as this is the act as a solvent. This is the excess of H2O molecules is present in this reaction. This H2O concentration is cannot mention to this rate of reaction. Now the rate of reaction is depends upon the concentration of ester power 1. Now this reaction molecularity, friends, molecularity of this reaction is the molecularity. What is the molecularity friends? The molecularity is the number of reactant species is participating in a elementary chemical reaction. It must be collide each other simultaneously. Because of this is 1 mole and 1 mole. Now what happened friends? Molecularity is that this is 1 mole and this is 1 mole. Now molecularity is 2. This is this elementary reaction molecularity 2, but order of this reaction is this rate of reaction of this hydrolysis of ester is only depends upon the rate is equal to, this is also constant and this is K is constant. Now K dash is equal to concentration of CH3 COO C2H5 power 1. Now this order of this reaction is only depends upon the concentration power 1. Now the order of this reaction is 1. Friends, hydrolysis of ester, molecularity is 2, order is 1. This type of reactions is also called as pseudo first order reaction. Now this order of this molecularity of this reaction is 2, this called as bimolecular reaction, and this order is 1 and molecularity is 2. This type of reactions is also called as pseudo first order reaction. This is the elementary reaction, but order is 1, molecularity is 2. This type of reactions is called as first order reaction. Now one more important point, friends, order is equal to the molecularity in all elementary reaction except of pseudo first order reaction. Okay friends, this is very important. This is clear friends. This is one more important example. And next one more important example of the pseudo first order reaction is that the example is the inversion of cane sugar. Inversion of cane sugar is an example of pseudo first order reaction. This is the inversion of cane sugar is the C12 H22 O11. This is sucrose is reacted to the water to form glucose and fructose. This is a reaction of inversion of cane sugar. Inversion of cane sugar is an example of the pseudo first order reaction. This is called as sucrose is reacted to the water to form a glucose and fructose. Now the rate of this reaction is the K into concentration of sucrose and concentration of H2O power 1. But this water is act as a solvent. Water is act as a solvent. This water is a excess of molecules is present in the water. Now this is also constant. Water is constant in this reaction. Now what happened, friends? This is also constant. K dash into C12 H22 O11 power 1. Now this is the rate of this reaction is 1. It means order of the reaction is 1 and molecularity of this reaction is molecularity of this reaction is, this is 1 mole and this is 1 mole. Now 1 mole of sucrose is reacted to the 1 mole of water is collision to each other simultaneously. That is called as molecularity is 2 and order is 1. Molecularity is 2 and order is 1. This type of reactions is called as pseudo first order reaction in so many competitive exams. What is the pseudo first order reaction example? Pseudo first order reaction example is the hydrolysis of ester and inversion of cane sugar is an example of a pseudo first order reaction. Now this type of reactions is called as pseudo first order reaction. Now molecularity is 2 and order is 1. Now except all this is also called as elementary reaction, friends. Sorry friends, this is also called as elementary chemical reaction. This is also called as elementary chemical reaction, but molecularity is not equal to the order. Important point of this pseudo first order reaction is the all elementary reaction order is equal to the molecularity, but except pseudo first order reaction. This is the very important point in pseudo first order reaction. This is clear, friends. This is arise. Now next one more important topic in discuss about the chemical kinetics class 10. The topic is the what is the difference between order of reaction and molecularity of reaction. This is clear, friends. This is arise. Friends, what is the difference between order of reaction and molecularity of reaction? Order of reaction and molecularity of a reaction. Friends, what is the difference between the order of reaction and molecularity of reaction? Now the first important point is the order of reaction is a, friends, order of reaction is a, this is determined to the experimentally determined quantity. Okay friends, order of reaction is a experimentally determined quantity, but molecularity is a theoretical determined quantity. Okay friends, now the experimentally order of reaction is a experimentally determined quantity, but molecularity is a theoretical determined quantity. Now we have to consider an example that is called as A of A plus B of B is gives C of C. Okay friends, this is the, now we have to consider a reaction. Now the rate of this reaction is the K into concentration of A power of X and concentration of B power of concentration A power of X and concentration B power of Y, but the order of this reaction is equal to the X plus Y. This is the experimentally order of reaction is the X plus Y, but you know that you have to consider a reaction A of A plus B of B is gives C of C. Now the molecularity of this reaction is the stoichiometric coefficients, like A plus B is the molecularity of reaction, X plus Y is the order of the reaction. This is the first important point in difference between the order of reaction and molecularity of reaction. And second important point is the order of reaction is defined for order of reaction is a, order of reaction is defined for the elementary as well as complex reaction. Okay friends, order of reaction is defined for elementary as well as complex reaction, but molecularity of reaction is only defined for elementary chemical reaction. Okay friends, this is the second important point. Okay friends, the order of reaction is only defined for the elementary chemical reaction and as well as complex reaction, but molecularity of reaction is defined for only elementary chemical reaction. And third important point is the order can be positive, zero and negative and fractional, but molecularity is always positive integer. This is the third important point friends. Order can be positive and negative and zero and fraction, but molecularity is always positive integer. And fourth one is the order can be greater than 3, but molecularity can never be greater than 3. This is the very important friends. Order can be greater than 3, but molecularity can never be greater than 3 because of the molecule is a very high. Now what happen friends, collision, effective collision is decreases. Now what happen friends, the reactants is converted to the product is does not exist. This is the difference between the order of reaction and molecularity of reaction. This is the concept of the chemical kinetics class 10 is the pseudo positive order reaction, and what is the difference between order of reaction and molecularity of reaction. Okay friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.